we're just relocating all the bins to the next paddock. Header got moved there last night. Contractor header. Oh. We got the fuel bin, France homemade fuel bin. Just gonna park this outside the paddock here, and the contractor. When the contractor starts, we'll move out in the middle of the bin, middle of the paddock for him. Here, changing the tyre on the Mac, on the quad dog. We got Tommy bringing in a few loads of grain. Contractors came for verwood harvest last night. Stripped off one paddock, a small 25 hectare dryland paddock, and he's about to start on some of the good dryland paddocks, hopefully get 5 to 6 tonne per hectare, but we'll see how she goes. But yeah, finished nibbing these up, and stuff the back up. Oh, unless we lift up. I don't know if we're going to get going because we've got a few spit drops coming, raindrops coming. Yeah. And I don't know if I'm going to get going on contracting on the class today, but I guess there's always tomorrow. But we've got a few lambs to shed up. Yeah. It's quite fucking windy too, as well today. Yeah, we're hoping this will go 6 tonne would be ripper, 5 tonne would be good, 4 tonne is what we expect. Yeah, a few big raindrops coming in there. Anyway, I've got to make a phone call to get the hell out of here. Whoa. We've got the Mac cod dog, fill bin, header ready. It's just not the day today by the looks of it. It's forecast to be 30 degrees today though, and it's only been raining for about a minute right now. Got Tom coming with the auger for the fill bin. And then yeah, we'll wait for the harvester to cut a strip in the middle of it, park the fuel bin, drop the axle, and then yeah, we'll just be carting from the truck out of the fuel bin, and we've got some more trucks coming. So yeah. So there you go, it's stopped raining for now. But we'll see how the day goes. I'm 75%, no, I'm like 90% sure I won't be in the class today doing contracting harvesting, but we'll still see how it goes.